Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the Apple Watch. Yeah. Right, so I just got it from the Apple Store. So this is actually the SE version. It's gold color aluminum case, 44mm. Right, let's get into it. Well, the thing is, it's the very first time I'm actually unboxing this, so I'm not too sure. Okay. So it's at the side here. Open up. Oh, it's very nice. Look at the design. This is all the different material of the band, right? Available for the Apple Watch. Ooh, so it's a very nice unboxing experience. Alright, so it's like basically you open here, it's very easy. Just snap it up, open up. Okay. And there's two things. So the first one is actually the watch itself. And the second one is actually the wristband. Right, so I'll get into it. Flip around. There you go. Very simple. And once you open it, it has a few things. It has the watch itself. Over here, I think it's some paperwork on the right. The charger, the magnetic charger, and then the cable. Right. Nothing else. Right. Below it's the strap. Right, so this is tab here. Apple Watch. So when you open up, it actually gives you an instruction on how to slide it in. Right, what you expect to see. Okay. And voila. So it actually gives you two sizes. It gives you, firstly, as you can see here, the ones with the hole, it gives you two sizes. It gives you the S and the M, and then it gives you another one is the M size and the L size, and the other side, okay, of the watch. So this is pretty good. I mean, it's very thoughtful of Apple, you know, and I mean, if you're a medium size wrist size person, you know, yeah, you have actually two wrists, which, you know, this is S and M, and this M and L, you know. But of course, if you're someone who is actually small wrist, you know, then yeah, it would be a bit, you know, difficult. You might need to buy new ones. Right, so let's get into it. Okay, I'll take out this one, this one. Okay, and the rest I'll keep. Down to this. Alright, everything else. Alright, so this is what you see from the box. The entire box itself. And this one. Cool. Alright, so the charging cable, we'll put it aside. Look at the watch itself. It's really very nice. Right. So this is the crown. Okay. And this is the physical button here. I think this hole here is the reset button. Right. Yep. Very, very nice. And then you see that there's an engrave here. So this is where you press and then you can release. Okay, so let me demonstrate. Alright, so to put in the waist strap is actually quite easy. And all you need to do is just align, right? You're sliding, right, quite easily. Okay, you hear click sound, and the other side is the same as well. Yeah, there we go. Right. Okay. Pretty awesome. So, right. The material of the strap is really very good. Okay, so I'm going to wear it. Right. Let's put it here. Clip it in, and then you can just put it into a groove. So there we go. Pretty snug. Yep, doesn't really move around much. Yeah, right. So this is the unboxing, right, of the Apple SE, right, 44mm watch. Okay. So over here you can look at the details. Take a look at the watch, so you can take a look at the detail. Right. The dial. Yeah, close up the dial. Oh, it's a bit too close. Right. Yeah, look at the screen. Yeah, this is the angle. As from here, you can see that it has quite a pretty wide viewing angle. It's like over here is almost like 180 degrees, but you can actually see, you can still see some details on the screen itself. Right, and the curved screen. Yeah, in the back. This is where all the magic happens, you know. Yes, water resistant, 50 meters. The version I bought is actually the GPS version. Yep, Ion X glass, and then over here it says ceramic case, aluminum, 44mm special edition. Yep, right. And the strap itself, the quality is really very good. Right, and over here, yeah. Okay, so this has been my unboxing of the Apple Watch Special Edition, or so called the SE 44mm, right, aluminum gold version. Right, so this is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.